If you do any kind of LinkedIn outreach, you already know that a message written for one specific person gets way more replies than just mass blasting generic messages where we settle for first name and company name as personalizations. The problem is though, trying to make every LinkedIn DM personalized and or relevant takes absolutely forever, so most people just drop in the first name and leave it there. However, now it takes literally minutes to hand over the entire lead list over to Claude and have Claude personalize every single message based on the lead's profile. For context, I've been running outbound campaigns over the last 5 years. I'm lucky enough to have over 60 different B2B testimonials on my agency website, and somehow I've even taught over 1,000 students inside of my Unlock GTM community. And it's super obvious and intuitive to say this, but what decides whether someone replies almost every single time is how much of the message is personalized or tailored to them, showing that we bothered to research them before reaching out. So today, as you could probably guess by the title of the video, I'm going to show you how to personalize every single LinkedIn message across your entire list in just a few seconds, so you can start getting way more replies at a fraction of the price. And if you stay till the end, I'll even be giving away all of the free resources so that you can implement this system for yourself in-house without having to build everything completely from scratch. And by the way, guys, let's be real. Everyone knows that they should be sending something personalized inside of their LinkedIn messages, but yet most people are stuck with really low reply rates, and in my opinion, it's all down to what personalized actually means. When I say personal, I don't mean calling them out on first name or company name variables, because everyone has access to those using lead databases like Prospeo or AIArc, for instance. Real personalization means mentioning something super specific to that individual around their situation. This can be on a technographic level. So for example, if I was sending a LinkedIn DM to Alex Hormozi, I would use the Wappalizer Chrome extension, and in this case, I would just have a look at the different tools that he has integrated on his website. I can clearly see that he's running TikTok ads, he's running Google ads, Facebook ads as well at the same time, and we can call him out on that and ask him. And more than that, we also know that he uses HubSpot for his marketing automations. And not only this, we also can use another Chrome extension like SimilarWeb, for instance, in this case, to see that he gets over 1.5 million monthly visits. And based on this, we can create something super personalized, because all of a sudden we have 6 or 7 different data points to use in that first line that we send across to him. And by the way, I do have a guide with over 130 different sales triggers and how you could phrase messaging based on those triggers. So for example, if the company is hiring within their sales team, you could say something like, reading the job description for your GTM engineer hire, I noticed the mention of Clay and NA10 and Claude Code. To be totally honest, it's super unrealistic to get someone with proper 2+ year experience in Claude Code since it's only been mainstream for the last year or so. Just thought to give you a heads up and provide a bit of value, and that's how you can basically start that conversation there. If you want the guide with the over 130 different sales triggers, all you need to do is just go and check the second link in the description underneath the video. Now, the reason that most people don't bother writing something relevant or personalized at scale inside of their LinkedIn messages is because typically it's super time consuming and manual, you would think at least. And by the way, guys, this is just a random lead list that I pulled together, which contains every single person that follows clay.com on LinkedIn. And in this spreadsheet over here alone, we have about 51,000 people with their LinkedIn profiles that I'm looking to use for LinkedIn outreach. Okay, so let's take as an example this profile of Adriano Herdman, who follows clay.com on LinkedIn. You can see his headline says talent solutions for tech businesses. They basically help you close your hardest roles, which means that they headhunt for some of the toughest hires and leave the team sharper than they found it. And typically the kind of information I would feed into AI would be the full name of the individual, the LinkedIn profile, all of the information over here that we have about that individual, including the featured section, as well as the about section, because this is critical title, because we can then personalize the opening line based on their about section, based on the headline, based even on the banner image here, as well as their past work experience. You can see that they were an English teacher and now they work in recruitment. We can call them out on that because that's not a career shift that's very, very common these days. And more than that, we can even scrape some of their past posts so that we can say, hey, I was just reading this post about how talent acquisition changed with the introduction of Claude Code, for instance. And I know what you guys are thinking, Tim, this is so theoretical. Show us how we can actually put this into practice inside of Claude Code. So here we go. Buckle up, because this is going to be super, super fun. By now, I would assume that you know how to set up Claude Code for success. If you don't, you need to watch my 3-hour, totally free Claude Code course for total beginners, and I guarantee you'll have the exact same setup on your screen by the end of that course as what I'm showing you right now. At that point, all you need to do is log into your IDE. If you would have watched that other course, you would know that an IDE stands for an integrated development environment. This may be Anti-Gravity, Visual Studio Code, Cursor, or something of that sort. We then start a new chat with AI here, and we can paste a quick prompt saying something like this. I want to create a LinkedIn DM campaign using our HeyReach DM management SOP skill in order to write a 5-step LinkedIn message for this lead. Draft 2 versions of messaging for this lead and send it to me to review. Now, usually we can start off by planning the project, but here I'm skipping through that part and just showing you the most actionable stuff. And whilst this all loads, let me just walk you through the 5-step framework that pretty much every single LinkedIn DMs guru will sell to you for over $1,000 as a part of their paid program. And this will be a high-level overview of that exact system they typically try to pitch to you. So essentially, the first step in any LinkedIn outreach is never to just say, oh, a pleasure to connect. Do you want to be like, the first message that we should send should never be happy to connect, great to be added to your network, let's explore synergies, because all that is cringe. That's not something that you will say to someone that you bump into the office from another company, for instance. So we skip that altogether, and the first message is simple. It's like, hey, first name, how's it going? What's up, first name? If you do want to spark some curiosity, you could say something like, huh, interesting. Now, that's just the first part of the message. You can send it literally straight away and then set a delay by half an hour or an hour or so before then sending the second message. In this case, the second message is a controlled compliment or a rephrase of what they do for a living. So in this case, if we're reaching out to Adriano, for instance, we can say something like 42k followers, super impressive, especially given that you started your career as a teacher and now you're in recruitment. And that's already a super personalized opening line which grabs their attention, because how many people can actually bother reading through their LinkedIn profile in order to generate that kind of opener? Again, all this stuff that I'm sharing with you inside of this guide, fine, I'll give it to you. Second link in the description down below, totally free. Just go click on that. In return, all I ask for is your email address, of course, and a pinky promise that you will try out HeyReach, because trust me, I've experimented and flirted with all sorts of LinkedIn automation tools. This one is the best one, and I'll tell you why in a minute as well. So the second part, we talked about controlled compliments. We already generated one for Adriano just now. Now, the third message is an authority building statement, and the main idea behind that is to show to them that you understand their space and that you have a degree of either social proof or just business acumen that enables you to understand what the hell they're doing for their work. So an authority statement in this case to Adriano could be something like, funny timing, just as you posted about Claude for talent acquisition teams, I'm actually about to release my Claude Code course for recruiters. And Claude Code is something that we have implemented into some other similar staffing agencies like Wave Talent, who also fill those mission critical software jobs. Again, we go a lot more in depth and provide a lot better examples inside of this guide. So if you wanted, second link in the description down below, and you can go and read through that guide for yourself. And the fourth part of the LinkedIn DM conversation we're going to be running will include a curiosity question. And in this case, because Adriano is London based, you could see even my Claude Code system has suggested some sort of curiosity question like this. You're London based, right? I am too. Not many people here talking about Clay and Claude Code, because Adriano talks about this specifically for the purpose of hiring. Worth knowing the few people who are actually like hanging out in this space. Again, it's a bit cringe. that's not something that I would go for, but this is the kind of structure that typically I would suggest you running with. And in case if you're wondering, does anyone actually buy from the LinkedIn DMs? That's the exact pitch that I got. And in case if you're wondering, do LinkedIn DMs and does that 5 DM structure actually work in order to generate sales and generate leads? I'm just going to read through this conversation and this message exchange that I had with Aidan Collins, who was doing all of my ghostwriting across LinkedIn and Twitter over the last 6 months. So in his case, he just said, Tim, what's up? Dig what you got going on with B2B Boosted, which is the name of my company. Go check us out if you want to work with us, of course. And it says, so you guys implement Clay and AI automation for B2B, right? I know some killers in the automations, and all this is just a quick greeting and then just a rephrase of the offer, or aka just showing to us that he read my profile and he understands what we're doing. Now, of course, I ignored him at that point. Next up over here, he basically leaned in and said, I know some killers in the automation space, actually just had one built out for me internally. ROI is unreal when you zoom out. Are you from London? I'm planning a trip with some buddies out to the UK during the summer, trying to get to know the terrain a bit more, haha. And then he basically just leans in with a lot of curiosity questions, asking, oh, how's LinkedIn working for you? Is it in the inbound? Is it outbound? That kind of thing. And all it is, as long as the person sends you a reply to the first question, you can lean in with a lot of curiosity questions, and that alone, later down the line, can just easily transition into that first meeting. And by now, I spent over $10,000 with Aidan and with his LinkedIn ghostwriting agency, so clearly those DMs are working. More than that, inside of Claude Code, all it basically takes is for you to say, hey, I want to create a LinkedIn DM campaign using the HeyReach DM management SOP, and it basically knows the entire lead magnet that I just showed you there, and it can basically generate this 5 message variant for you. All it takes is for you to basically rewrite a couple of DMs manually first. You will learn from you, and that way you'll be able to send out the outreach at scale, similarly to how people like Aidan would send it manually otherwise. And of course, for the purpose of this, we'll be using HeyReach.io, which is the LinkedIn automation tool that we use for ourselves and for all of our clients over my agency. If you're setting up some sort of LinkedIn copywriting completely from scratch inside of a platform like Claude Code, just remember to give it the exclusions as well of what it should never write. For example, never write the words synergy, revolutionize, or any of these other AI buzzwords. Also removing M dashes, which are the ugly double dashes that AI is renowned for. And because Claude Code is already connected to HeyReach using something called an MCP, by the way, you could literally just type in saying connect to HeyReach MCP. It will basically give you all the instructions, and all you will then need to do is head over into your HeyReach account, top link in the description down below to sign up for a free account and your free trial. Click into settings, click into integrations, and then over here, if you proceed to HeyReach API, you can see it's connected now, but if you want to copy it to clipboard, you can always copy it to clipboard here and just paste it into Claude Code, and it'll straight away connect into your HeyReach MCP. And now I can say, cool, let's create a campaign inside of HeyReach and add this lead there and leave the campaign as drafted. And we can see within just a couple of seconds, you'll basically go and do just that, and the campaign will be set up fully inside of HeyReach, just from pure prompting inside of Claude Code. So you can see for the purpose of this is going to be using the LinkedIn automation skill. Sometimes you may not be able to create a campaign straight from Claude Code. So in this case, I'm just going to start a new campaign and just give it test campaign 123. I'm going to give a quick name, click on create. And for this, we'll just create an empty list. And all I'm going to do is just exclude all of the past contacts, of course, that I don't want to reach out to. And I'm just going to make a super simple 1 message campaign here, just to show you how we can go about doing this. And we can say, I just created a test 123 campaign for you to see in HeyReach. And you can see it's asking you which message we want to push into HeyReach. I'm going to say both push variation A and variation B. That way we can A/B test different messaging inside of HeyReach and optimize it that way. Worth noting that the campaign needs to be active in order for you to be able to add leads to that campaign inside of HeyReach. So there you have it, guys. You can see that the campaign has now been launched. The lead has been added there. And spoiler alert, by the way, Adriano Herdman was a client of my agency over at B2B Boosted. So I just used his profile after I saw him on the lead list and he looked familiar familiar, and I know he probably wouldn't take it personally that I'm showing how I would cold prospect him using LinkedIn automation. By the way, if you want to get all of the resources that I mentioned throughout this video, including the exact LinkedIn DM management SOP that I've created in-house for my own sales team, as well as a 3-hour free Claude Code course with all the resources that you need in order to get increasingly dangerous using Claude Code, all you need to do is head over to the second link in the description underneath the video. I'll give you all those freebies. We're doing this as a barter deal in return for you subscribing to this lovely HeyReach YouTube channel, as well as in return for you taking out HeyReach on a free trial, which is the first link in the description down below. Now that you know how to personalize your messages at scale on LinkedIn, if you want unlimited leads on autopilot, as cringe and as unrealistic as that may sound, then go and watch the video popping up on your screen right now, and I'll see you